Hey everybody, thanks so much for coming by the channel. I just wanted to pop on and say, FabFitFun, they have starter boxes, and what they do is before or after a seasonal box comes out, they give to their subscribers starter boxes to give to their friends or that kind of thing. And what it is a box that has 3 to 4 products in it generally and has a value of $75 or more. And all you pay for is shipping, which I have heard is either $5 or $8 depending on what state you're in, but mostly $5. And once you've signed up to receive that box, you have 21 days to decide whether or not you'd like to continue receiving the box. And if you don't cancel it within 21 days, they will send you the seasonal box. So you have to be sure and manage your time. But they have given me 3 of those starter boxes, and I have already hooked all of my family and friends on FabFitFun. So I thought I would pass them along to you guys. So all the same things apply. You have to be willing to give me your full name and your email so that they can email you directly from FabFitFun, but you can do that privately. I have my email listed above, so it's not like the whole world has to have that information. And they will email you once I give them your information, and then it all happens through you. You sign up, they will charge you whatever the shipping or handling is, like I said, $5 or $8, and then they will send you the products, and then you go on and you either keep it or cancel it, whichever you want. But I wanted to pass along those 3 boxes. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just telling you guys, I have them available. They are only available until June 7th. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this video out there and I'm going to say, if you would like to have one of these, just let me know below. You know, say, I'm interested in one of these starter boxes. And if there's only 3 of you, fine, you can all 3 have it. If there are more than 3 of you, I will do it just like I just did that giveaway that I did. And I will put everybody's name in a little box and I'll pull 3 out. And those will be the 3 people that I will contact with the information. If after I pick you, you've decided you don't want to receive it, be sure and let me know so I can pick somebody else. So that means for $5 to $8 for you, depending on where you are, you can have 3 to 4 products worth $75 to give FabFitFun a try. So the only downside is that if you do this when you order your first box, or you let them just roll right into sending you the first box, you don't get the $10 discount on your first box. I've heard you can't do both, but you're getting $75 worth of product in theory, so this is still winning. Anyway, I have 3 boxes available, so like I said, let me know below if you're interested. If I have more than 3 people interested, I'll pick 3 people out of a box. I want to get this done, but I don't necessarily want to end it on the holiday weekend because a lot of people could be away. So let's say at noon Eastern on Tuesday, which is the 28th. I will cut it off on noon Eastern on Tuesday, and we'll go from there. I will immediately notify the 3 people that I've picked, and you can let me know if you're still interested, send me your information, and we'll go from there. If there are more than 3 people interested, I will draw for names on Tuesday morning. I will let the 3 people who were selected know right away. And I'm going to ask that since we're working on a deadline that I hear back from you within 24 hours of me letting you know. And if not, I'm going to go ahead and move on and pick the next name. I will let you know under your comment below if you were selected. And if you follow me on Insta, which is my same exact name on Insta, I will DM you that way. I find that people do tend to be more into their Insta accounts. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. I just didn't want to let these boxes go to waste. I didn't do anything with them last time, and I felt super bad about it. So if anybody has any interest, just let me know below. So please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've done another video, and I will see you guys really soon with an unboxing. I have a brand new one that I'm getting ready to do. Bye.